Hi, hello, how are you? Can I tell you what my number one learning has been as a new mom? First of all, I really like this shirt. I picked it up in America before someone asks. Can we ignore the mess at the back? This is a normal household where I'm not going to sit and pretend that my house is more aesthetic than it is on a normal day. When I'm shooting and the house needs to show a certain way, I will clean up that corner. But you know what? It's okay. This is how we live. What was I saying? My number one realization as a new mom has been, why the hell do I bother ironing my clothes? The second I take him on me, all istri is gonna go for a toss anyway. But mehnat, we must do, clearly. Will I get an outfit shot today? Will I not get an outfit shot today? God knows, time will tell. And whether that outfit shot will be even worth posting, considering this is going to be all crumpled up, is a separate story. The plan for the day is to take my in-laws to the mall. They haven't really been to any mall in Bombay except for Palladium, Phoenix Mills. I want to take them to Geo World Drive today. We'll have lunch there. After that, I think my mom-in-law might want to go to the church. So I might take everybody there. And then we have to go meet a friend's baby. I don't know if the baby is social media friendly. If the baby is, then I will naturally share everything with you like I always do in all my vlogs. If not, please do understand. And I'm actually excited because I have a lot of packages that I've ordered that I want to open up. This is shopping packages because we're actually going to be traveling really soon. Maybe by the time you watch this vlog, we are traveling or we're back from traveling. I don't know, because I currently in present tense have 2 vlogs or maybe 3 ready that I just need to, 3 I think, need to just edit. And I just don't have the time to edit. And I haven't found an editor yet that will actually scratch that. I found 2 really nice editors. The problem is that when it comes to my vlogs, I'm so anal about it. I want it to be so specific that I've realized me doing it myself is just easier. I think I need to change the necklace and get something that goes a little higher. Or is this nice? Just a little bit of a peak instead of like a full-fledged. And my hair has had 2 beautiful blow dries this week because of other shoots, but now it's a mess. The dry shampoo I'm going to reach for. There are 2 that I really love. I hope Living Proof comes to India sometime soon because their dry shampoo is fantastic, and the Anomaly one is also really good. I'm going to start sweating because I put the fan off to be able to talk to you and not wear the mic. The mic is somewhere here. But I'm going to go use some dry shampoo, check on the baby who's napping, and then catch up with you maybe on the way to the mall. If not from the mall, we'll see. I'm vlogger, but I'm also driver, but I'm also planner packer. So my hands are a little bit permanently occupied.
Rafa, where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Woo! Woo! This is the first time they're exploring any mall in Bombay. No? You have to leave Daddy? No, Daddy has to go home.
No.
Doesn't want to go home?
No.
Come back home with us then, Daddy.
No.
That also no.
Bye. Bye.
She love you, Appai. Love you, Tata.
Say bye to Tata. Say bye to Appai.
Say love you lots. Bye. Today's day has been so dramatic behind the scenes that I have not even been able to vlog it, you guys. Like, I have run around for outfit from scratch video stuff, which I was really trying to get done for my subscriber. This is like episode 1 before Diwali. Thankfully, I didn't commit to doing it before Diwali. We said we would do it soon, but I wanted to do it before Diwali, which doesn't look likely now because the tailor that I'm working with this time is nice, but I don't know if he's getting exactly what we wanted. So there was so much of explaining. I'll leave this for that video. I've been feeling really giddy on and off for a while. I've been running around between pediatrician clinics because Rafa was unwell in the middle, and then his vaccinations, and I've been spending a lot of mornings at the vet, which is also why I have not vlogged as often as I would have liked. Baby girl is resting over there right now. Baby boy's diaper Parupala is changing because I'll take him for a little walk by going to the general practitioner, family physician near my house. I want to just get an iron, zinc, vitamin D, D3, whatever, D3, B12 shot. This has literally become my idea of an evening outing. I have so much work that I should have managed to finish today that I have not, because nothing client commitment or hard time bound. I knew I needed to do it within this week, but I was hoping to knock off at least 50% of my week's to-do list today. Very ambitious, I know. Yes, I'm taking them for a walk, both of them, by going to the family physician. That's where I'm at. I'm so tired all the time. Very grateful all the time, but also very tired all the time. Chale, we ordered these ganjis for him from Amazon as well, by the way, but unhone galat prints bhej diye pure set ke, and then they said hum pick up nahi kar rahe hain, but we're refunding you. You can keep the ganjis. I was like, okay. Paru Khala was most khush because she was like, wah, le bhi nahi rahe hain aur paise bhi lauta diye. और print galat भेजे, so they're all really weird prints. So yeah, okay, all right. So yes, let's go.
Mama the baby कौन है? Mama the baby. No. What are we about to do? We're about to unbox some Amazon packages. It's been a crazy busy Monday. Lots of admin work. Edit work hasn't even started properly yet. Mama has been emptying her phone out because Mama's phone came storage full. Right. You can't come this side because the cutter is on this side. Okay, so I have to show you. I bought the cutest little things for him. I've been on like this crazy Amazon. I've always been on this crazy Amazon shopping spree. But I shop so much for his stuff. It is unbelievable because we're traveling soon. Look at this. Mama bought you a little bucket hat. A little bucket hat for the beach. It's got it's like a grey blue and it's got a giraffe popping out. I can link it for you down below. It's so cute, Raphael. Why aren't you letting me put it on you? I ordered a new swimsuit for him as well. I don't know if that's been delivered. I'm actually looking for something specific that I need to use. I know it's been delivered, I just don't know which package it is naturally. So I'm gonna try. Okay, I got it. This is Nibbles' medicine, which is what I was hunting for. But I'm gonna open everything now that I'm here. But that's the main thing. What's in this? What's in this? So many packages, Babu. The swimsuit. Go show up your swimsuit. Jerry is working from home today. I have the cutest little swimsuit. I ordered a size up. It's got these blue stars and stripes on it and everything. Look at his new swimsuit. It's so cute. It's so cute. You want to open the package for me? Nibbles? Nibu? Nibu? Hi, Nibu ma. Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Yes, Nibu ma. Okay. No. Raphael, you're gonna sit alone. Be careful. You can't take your feet. Sit this side. Yes, Nibbles. Okay, Nibbles. Jerry, can you put the medicine on her if you have a minute? I order a lot of stuff from Amazon in general, but for baby and for home is naturally a relatively new discovery to me. I ordered a new makeup pouch because one of my makeup pouches I realized I've been using for longer than before I've met Jerry. And the stains on it just won't go away. They just won't go away. So I was like, okay, you know what? It's time for me to voluntarily just get rid of this. And I ordered this new one, which is really nice. I'm linking all of my Amazon finds for you below. Oh, no Nibbles. No, you cannot go to her. You'll hurt her. She cannot take your weight. They don't really interact much. I mean, I haven't really talked about Nibbles' updates to you guys. I bumped into a few of you recently. A couple of you were at my mom was like, hey, not the camera, buddy. Not the camera. And I mean, I don't really feel like talking about it because every time I say it out loud, it just hurts. But our baby's got a cat baby who's got cancer, and she's dealing with a lot. Let's just put it like that. Okay, this is a video. It might look like I'm dissociating, like I'm being weird, and I'm like, oh, cat's got cancer, baby's here, and then I'm here talking about an Amazon haul, but I compartmentalize, and I don't really want to talk about this on the camera because I'm dealing with what I'm dealing with behind the scenes. And we've known for a little while. We just kept going to different people to reconfirm. So if I look like I don't care, it's because I'm genuinely trying to not break down every second day. And this one needs me to be happy and have my attention. And so this is the medicine. It's her hemp oil. Just a little bit on her lips for her to
Lips.
painful. No. Oh, wow. I think I've opened all of them. Okay, I got one last package. Why is the light here looking a little bit off? Hey, 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 you like sitting on all the packages. This is liquid latex for Halloween makeup that I ordered and Mama has no time to do. The fake blood is here, the liquid latex is here, but the time is just not here. What do I do? I cannot even tell you how much is going on behind the scenes. I'm so like stuck between 5 different things and I feel like I'm expecting usual Anam out of myself, which is just not possible. Especially not with this and this and this. I'm just like, oh, I'm doing good. I'm doing great. I've got this. I'm gonna just make sure that this light is working. Yep. We good. Woohoo! I also ordered some hot shoe mounts for my camera, but those haven't been delivered. I'm hoping they are before we leave. It's a couple of days later. It's super dark because it's evening and I haven't switched all the lights on as yet. It's been an insanely busy day. I spent the day editing 2 vlogs. Wondering if I'll finish this one as well. I don't know. Let's see. The baby is fast asleep. He has not been napping at all through the day. They say that every time your baby learns new skill, their sleep schedule is reversed. And he's really crawling around, mashallah. He's really running around. In the midst of all of this, there's a lot of little stuff happening. I still don't feel like deep diving into that. We'll talk about it when we talk about it. I think I should edit. I think I should close this vlog. I am going to be all alone with the baby tomorrow, all day, just him and me, because Farah was taking the day off. And her daughter is visiting from the village. She's going to come stay with us again for a few days. She's pregnant with baby number 2. It was productive, but I'm so exhausted. The good kind of exhausted, but also like, oh God, I'm looking forward to this weekend break kind of exhausted. I'll talk to you soon. Thank you so much for watching me from all my weird angles. I'll see you in the next one.